Let me teach you how to crochet a starting double crochet, single crochet in US terminology. It's really simple to do and will create a much neater edge for your projects. You were probably taught to chain one, not count that chain as a stitch, and then begin working into the first stitch of the row. This leads to a bumpy edge that doesn't look as neat as it could be. So here's how you do a starting double crochet, single crochet in US terminology, that will elevate your work. Turn your work ready to start a new row. Extend the live loop on your hook a little and double crochet into the first stitch. That extension of the loop creates the same side wall that the turning chain would have made, but there is no extra bulk and therefore no bumpy edge. Starting stitches are a crochet game changer, so look out for my other videos on 2 more starting stitches that you need to know about.